everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of logout on the application of Pokémon Go. Got problem on Pokémon Go, we go to settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will search about the application of Pokémon Go and you will click here. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we'll turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.